So, I'm a math teacher, and I've realized that reading teachers, your kids have options, reading levels, types of books, and a lot of reading questions. You can even argue your point, and as long as you back it up, you're right. But math is kind of black and white. But there are different ways to learn, and there are different ways to show students how to work out the problems. But when we teach these ways, we're met with, that's new math, or I hate the Common Core. Or my favorite, that's not how I learned it. It's not how I learned it either, I promise. Anyway, this week in my class, we're learning how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. This is a huge fifth grade skill. So I'm going to show you one way that I show my students how to do it. And this is not the standard algorithm. This is through drawing. Think of it like a different genre or a different reading level, if that helps. It's okay that some kids need to draw it. Eventually, they might master the content and not need it anymore. These are the type of problems we're solving this week in class. You can see that the denominators are not the same. Let's start by drawing 3/4. And we're going to shade in 3/4. Now we're going to draw 1/3. When we draw 1/3, however, we are going to draw it the other way. What I mean is here we drew our fraction in vertical lines. For this fraction, we're going to draw horizontal lines. And we're going to shade in 1/3. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to take these vertical lines, these 3 lines, and we're going to pull them down into our 1/3. So this line, pull it down, this line, pull it down, this line, pull it down. Then we're going to take these 2 horizontal lines and we're going to pull them up. So this line, draw it up here, and this line, draw it up here. What this is doing is this is creating a common denominator visually. This is showing them that I took these lines, put them in this box, took these lines, put them in these boxes, and now these 2 boxes are the same and we can do the math. So now we just count 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4/12 here, and I need to subtract them from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12ths is the answer. This is just one way to do it, and it's okay if you don't like this way. If you like the standard algorithm and you mastered that, that's fine. But this is how I introduce it to my students.